Hello, my name is Alina Pătulea and I'm working as a data analyst at btProvider. We are going to see how to create a diverging bar chart with one measure and dual axis using Superstore dataset. The first thing we need to do is to create an index. So if our index is going to be 1, then we are going to have sum of sales as an example. Else we are going to have minus sum of sales. We are going to need another index in order to create dual axis, so I'm going to duplicate this one, and the only thing we are going to change is that the index is going to be 2. We are going to have the both of our indexes on the columns. We are going to have region, for example, as a filter. Let's say we are going to bring east and west. We are going to have region also on colors, on both of them. And also on index 1 we are going to have sales, our measure. We are going to do dual axis. We are going to compute using region on both of them. We are going to have them both on bar. We are going to remove measure names from the column. We are going to synchronize axes and also edit the tick marks on none on both of our axes. And the only thing we need to do is to edit the opacity on the colors in a way just to be invisible here. We can also unshow the headers. This is how we can create a diverging bar chart with one measure and dual axis. I hope this is going to be useful and we are going to see each other next week. Have a great weekend.